whole bun at them.
Shawn's going in for the bread. Now he's going to walk over to the animals. These are very dangerous animals. He has to approach them very carefully, not to harm them in a natural habitat. There he goes. There he goes. He throws them. The birds are very thankful.
And then this brown girl comes in.
Oh, don't, no. Shawn is a trained individual here, straight from South Korea.
What? It's not even Korean, you stupid.
Shh. Point. Point. Point.
Point.
Yes, Shawn. Shawn, show him how it's done. That's a major error. That's awesome.
Shawn, do it and then try to hit them. You lure them, I attack them. Yes. Bait. It's called bait. Oh my god. You got feet on.
No, don't hit them.
He's going to it.
As he tells them to go long, he's about to. He's communicating with the animals. Here they come. Look, they're coming over.
Oh my god.
There he goes. He's luring them in.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh god.
Oh my god. That's amazing. Oh my god.
Shawn, where's he going? He's gonna say sorry to the birds. Wait, no, he's gonna kick them. Oh!
He throws popcorn and kicks them.
Oh god, okay. There you have it.